How to fix Huawei mobile phone camera not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. Again click on apps and then open camera. Now here you can see the option storage. Now click on storage. Now here you can clear your cache memory. After clear your cache memory, then go back to your main page of your settings and then scroll down in last and click on system and updates. And on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating the latest version, then go back and click on reset. And then click on reset all settings. And again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.